The presentation of prestigious Padma Awards has been postponed, the latest in a series of high-profile events to be affected by the coronavirus outbreak, which has been declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. In India, the number of infected patients has risen to 84, with 2 fatalities, one each in Karnataka and Delhi. The government says more than 4,000 people who came into contact with these 84 people are now under surveillance. The Government of India has declared COVID-19 a notified disaster in order to avail the State Disaster Response Fund. Under it, these things will be made available to tackle coronavirus. An ex gratia fund of Rs 4 lakh will be provided to casualties. Let's move on to next news. The Maharashtra government today has ordered to shut all the colleges and schools till March 31. The decision has been taken considering the rising cases of coronavirus infections in the state. To prevent the spread of the coronavirus, a state-based Preventive Care Act has been implemented. The state government has taken a big decision to curb coronavirus and prevent the crowd. The government has ordered that government and private schools, colleges and colleges in all the municipalities of the state will be closed till March 31. However, the exams in the universities will be on schedule as well as the exams for class 10 and 12, the letter also stated. Let's move on to next news. A day after the release of National Conference President Farooq Abdullah from detention, he met his son and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. This was the first meeting of the father and son in the last 7 months. After his release, Farooq expressed his desire to meet Omar. The Jammu and Kashmir administration then allowed him to meet Omar in the sub-jail in Srinagar. The two stayed together for about an hour. Omar also met the members of the Abdullah family. Let's move on to next news. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi called on SAARC nations to work together to contain the deadly novel coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, a spokesperson for Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Ministry responded, acknowledging the need for coordinated efforts at global and regional levels. In a tweet posted early this morning, the spokesperson said that the Special Assistant to Prime Minister Imran Khan had been deputed to participate in a proposed video conference call on measures to deal with COVID-19. Let's move on to last news of the day. The BCCI has put on hold all its remaining domestic tournaments, including the Blue Ribbon Irani Cup match between Rest of India and Ranji Trophy champion Saurashtra because of the COVID-19 pandemic. In a statement signed by BCCI Secretary Jay Shah, the board said prominent tournaments that stand postponed are the Irani Cup, Vijay Trophy, Senior Women's One Day Knockout and the Senior Women's One Day Challenger, among others.